we, the students of the Vinod Gupta School of Management, IIT Kharagpur, had the privilege of hosting Mr. Arindam Mukhopadhyay, Vice President and Global Head of Consulting, Center of Excellence at Gartner. In this era of AI and innovation, as the boundaries between real and virtual become blurred, how do we sustain workplace dynamics and human relationships?
Yeah, I think that's a very interesting question. And one of the things what we have been seeing happening is that as the workplace is changing, everybody has to be receptive of the fact that they cannot work in silos anymore. However, the workplace are not going to be all like physical workplace of what we see today. It could be a virtual workplace. You probably could be working on a virtual world as an individual contributor, but in effect, you would be working with a lot of other colleagues and co-workers. And how do you build and maintain good relationship? And some of the things which you have to keep in mind, that how do you build your personal brand? How do you keep maintaining the close touch points, make friends, and all of that? And also the other aspect is that you have to be mindful that your co-workers are also going to be transforming very significantly, in a sense that you would be working with algorithms, machines, and systems as your co-workers, and not just another human being as colleagues.
As budding managers, what qualities do you recommend us to have to keep pace with the current rate of disruptive development?
Yeah, I think one of the most significant qualities would be to have the abilities to find yourself in an era of learning and rapid learning and upskilling. And that's one significant shift which we are seeing in the industry across the board. And in that world, how do you make the learning as a process, as an industrialized learning within an organization, and what would be your role in that? So that's number one. The second aspect would be that how do you develop leadership roles and leadership capabilities within you, which is to say that how do you find opportunities in uncertain times? How do you have your limitless mindset that drives you in a time when things are not going to be defined, things are going to be ambiguous. You probably will have your colleagues and teams which are virtual, not sitting next to you, and all other transformation which are happening around us related to and which is impacting the workplace. So I think these are the top 2 points comes to my mind.
So we have one more question. How was your experience at the Vinod Gupta School of Management, and what advice do you have for its students?
Yeah, it was fantastic. I mean, I had an early start of my day today to travel from Delhi to come to Kolkata, and a beautiful road trip. But the moment I entered the campus, it re-energized. This is the first time I'm here in IIT Kharagpur campus, elite school, and high caliber team and students. So I really enjoyed the interaction and the kind of questions the students asked that actually forced me to think, which was excellent. Which definitely I can say that I also learned a lot from this interaction. The advice what I would like to give is that this is one of the premier colleges in India, and I think you are going to be the torch bearer in many aspects, be it innovations, be it how we define jobs, how do we make the larger society to be more innovative, and contributing back, and also at the same time, how you create your mark when you're going out in the job market and the industry at large. I think I look at these students in VGSoM to be high caliber, high thinking, and I have every bit of confidence that these are the tomorrow's workforce. And thank you.
Thank you so much for the kind words.